Okay guys, now we go on with another activity, and this activity is going to be related to past tense. As you know, past tense is also very important like present tense. When you speak English, you're always in present. At the same time, sometimes you have to talk about past. Now if I ask you any question about yesterday, if I ask you any question about this morning, last week, last month, last year, so to tell me all those memories, all those occurrences, for that you have to use the past tense. For past tense, it's very simple. We use second form of the verb. Right? Simply, we are going to use second form of the verb. What is the second form of eat? Ate. What is the second form of come? Came. What is the second form of go? Went. So very simple, you guys are going to use second form of the verb, and that is going to be all about past tense. Now, I'm going to ask you all different questions. You will tell me what you did today. Okay, like today I woke up at 6 o'clock, then I offered my prayer, after that I did this and all that. You will tell me what you did yesterday. Right? You will tell me what you did today. And the last sentence would be, then I came here. And your last sentence would be, then I went to sleep. You are going to tell me what you did last Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. So you are going to tell me what you did last Sunday. And you are going to tell me what you did on your last birthday. Right? And you are going to tell me what you did on your last foreign tour. As you went to a foreign country last time, what did you do there? So briefly, you guys will tell me all these things in 1 minute, and you're going to use past tense for that. Past tense means second form of the verb. And if you're making some sentences which are negative, then you will use did not, and after did not, you will use first form of the verb. I did not go there. I did not waste my time. You will not say I did not wasted my time. I did not waste my time. I did not go there. I did not learn English. I did not travel by boat. I did not, and then first form of the verb. Okay? Now I give you 2 to 3 minutes to think about it, and then we are going to start. And we'll start from there. Right? Yeah. Okay, now please you can start. I will interrupt you. As you speak, wherever you will be wrong, I will interrupt you. ठीक है? करना क्या है? Just repeat that sentence where I interrupt you, and then you go on. Yeah.
Thank you. My last visit was UAE.
My last visit was to UAE.
My last visit was to UAE. I went there for my business purpose, and I spent around 3 weeks. And there were some renewals and other meetings pending. So I was there to make some arrangements for this documentation. And I have attended few seminars there.
I attended.
Okay. I attended few seminars there.
Few seminars, plural.
Few seminars there. I think that's it. And
then I came back.
Came back here.
Good. That's fine.
On my last birthday, my mother came from my room and woke up.
My mother came to my room.
My mother came to my
room
me. And awoke me at 10 a.m. and she hugged me and
She hugged me and wished me.
She hugged me and wished me and give some.
You can say she hugged and wished me.
She hugged and wish me and she also gives me some dua.
She prayed for me.
She prayed for me.
She gave me her blessings.
She gave me her blessing for my future life. After that, I take a shower.
After that, I took shower.
After that,
or you can say I showered.
After that, I showered and ate breakfast.
I showered and had breakfast.
And my mother cooked special breakfast for me.
My mother made. We don't cook breakfast. We make breakfast. My mother made a special breakfast for me.
My mother made a special breakfast for me on my birthday. and at the time of 5 p.m. My brother come from
My brother came from.
my brother came from the office and
Came from the office.
came from the office, and he gave me some gifts.
He gave me some gifts.
Gave me some gifts like mobile phone and perfume. And the evening, my sister came from Islamabad. She made a party she made a party on
She
on
threw a party to celebrate my birthday. She threw.
she threw a party on she threw a
celebrate my
party to
birthday.
celebrate on my birthday,
Not on, to celebrate my birthday.
to celebrate my birthday. And after my father also gave some gifts and money as well, because I love money. And after
Greedy? Okay.
and after party, I'm very tired. Then
I was very tired.
I was very tired. Then I
Went to sleep.
Went to sleep.
Wow. कमाल हो गया है इतनी बड़ी party. Okay, let's go on. Yes, please. You can start now.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Last Sunday, I traveled with my wife to Islamabad. My journey journey started at 9 o'clock, and we reached there about 12:30.
At about 12:30.
30 or 1 o'clock. And we have appointment with doctor, our family
we
doctor.
had an appointment with our family doctor.
With our family doctor, Dr. Basharat, and we met at about 3 o'clock.
We met him at about 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock at his clinic. And after finished this meeting,
After finishing the medical checkup,
finishing medical checkup, and then we go.
we
to
went.
We went to my brother-in-law.
We went to my brother-in-law's house.
Brother-in-law's house, and because there we are invited after.
We
also
were
there,
invited there.
There, and after finished meeting, after finished that.
After
meeting,
finishing that
after finishing
meeting,
that
or
meeting,
after finishing,
or
yeah,
that visit,
right?
we went to my sister, my daughter, my sister daughter,
My sister, yeah, my niece.
my niece.
We went to my niece's house.
My niece's house at Bahria town,
Okay,
Bahria,
right.
and we live there. We spend we stay there at
We
night.
stayed there for the night.
We
Yeah.
stayed there at night, and next morning at 8 o'clock we come back.
We came back.
We came back to Lahore.
Well done. Excellent. Keep it up. Good job.
After class, we went to McDonald's. After
What is your topic?
topic?
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday.
Okay, so you should start from the morning. I woke up in the morning. Okay, after the class you went to McDonald's, right? Start from there.
After the
After the class.
after class, we went to McDonald's to eat burgers, and when we reached to home,
Okay, we went to McDonald's to eat burgers,
Burger.
and after eating burgers
at the
there, right, we reached home.
Then I went with my son to bookstore to bought uniform and books. After
Okay.
that I went to home, and then I took my children to sleep, because
Yeah, I put my children to sleep.
I put my children to sleep because they have school tomorrow.
Yeah, they had school the next day.
The next day
We don't use tomorrow in the past. They had school the next day.
they have school next day. Then I watched movie with my mother and brother. Then after that I go to sleep.
I went to sleep. See,
I went
appa
to sleep.
finished, huh? Okay, good job. Next one.
I woke up in the morning at 7 o'clock. I went to the washroom. Then I had a shower. I had a shower for 15 minutes. Then I came out from the bathroom. Then I asked my father for the class today. He told me that we're gonna go to the class at 1 o'clock. Then I prepared myself for Juma prayer,
For Friday prayers.
for Friday prayers. Then I had my breakfast, and after that I prepared myself for class. Before I went to the class, I had to the mosque.
Before coming to the class, I
Before-
went to the mosque.
Before coming to the class, I went to the mosque. I did my prayer.
I offered my. I went to the mosque to offer my prayer.
I went to the mosque to offer my prayer. After
Offering the prayer,
offering the prayer, I went to the car to came in the
to come
to come in the class
to come to class.
to come to the class, and at 1:30 I came in the class.
At 1:30, I reached here.
I reached here and came in the class.
Okay, came to the class.
Came to the class.
All right, that's fine. So gradually these things will be all right. Okay, so today we discussed the modal verb can, then we talked about the modal verb could, right? And along with that we practiced past tense, right? So we are going to have a little presentation on past tense, and you are going to share unforgettable incident of your life in the next class when you come. Zindagi ka na bhulne wala vakya, and it should be the good one, happy one, not the tragic one and all that, happy one. Okay, so whatever it is, unforgettable. And unforgettable is not the one you say not like this. Unforgettable is ready, that was the unforgettable incident of my life when I got married, something like that. Okay, so you will give a presentation in 2 to 3 minutes about unforgettable incident of your life, and you will use past tense for that. Okay, so this is the homework, and practice can and could also, right? And try to speak English, try to listen to English, try to watch some videos on English on YouTube, and watch the native speakers. How do they speak? Focus their accent, their pronunciation, their style of speaking, and then gradually you're going to be fine. Like, this is just the second class. Next week we'll do more practice. So class after class, you will improve, you will become fluent in English language, right? So we finish our today's lesson here, and inshallah I'll see you on Thursday, and we'll have another wonderful class. Now, until that time, connect yourself with English. It's not that when you come here, then you are connected with English, you leave the place and, okay, not like that. You should connect yourself. Now, every day, try to listen to English for minimum 30 minutes. 30 minutes on your mobile, you can play something, have the hands free and just watch and see how they speak, their accents, their pronunciation and all that. Remember, for language learning, inputs are very important. You're watching an English movie, input. You listen to English songs, that is input, right? So you are reading the newspaper in English, that is input. So once there are inputs, then there will be output. What we do without any input, we are expecting output. So there is no output without input. And input is teach yourself, feed yourself with English, and then you're going to be perfect at this language. All the best. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.